好，而家翻嚟2025年嘅 Long Quest 第10條。好，student use the setup to investigate stationary wave 啦。咁on a structure strain。咁 when 個 frequency 係 set in 100嘅時候咧，咁咧就有3個 loop 出現咗啦。stationary wave 就出現咗咁嘅90 cm 嚟嘅呢度。好啦，咁咧 X and Y 都喺佢哋嘅 maximum displacement。咁即係咧，佢哋全部都係 maximum displacement 嚟㗎。每一點 on the string 都係 maximum position 嚟㗎，都係行得最大㗎啦佢哋。好 label the position of all anti-nodes and nodes。咁我哋咁好易記嘅啫 ，nodes no 啊嘛 ，no 啊嘛，咁即係唔識喐嘅一位。咁咧，我哋可以 mark 係咪呢個要識 n， 呢個係 n 啦，呢個係 n 啦，呢度又係 n 啦，咁呢個都係 n。咁咧 anti-nodes 咧就咁調翻轉咧，就係識喐嘅位咧，咁呢個係 A， 咁呢個係 A， 呢度又係 A。咁樣就齊啦，呢個2分。好啦，咁 part A2 compare the oscillation of X and Y in terms of their amplitude。咁 amplitude 咧，由於佢哋各自都係去到佢哋個 maximum displacement 㗎啦，咁所以咧 they have the same they have 因為 X 同埋 Y 佢哋各自嘅 maximum displacement 咧就應該係咁樣同埋咁樣嘅分別嚟嘅。一個上下挫個幅度應該大好多，另外一個咧就細好多嘅。They have different amplitude。X 大過 Y。咁跟住咧再 compare 佢哋嘅 phase 啊。咁 phase 我哋點樣睇咧？喺個 stationary wave。咁咧呢一嚿嘢咧，我哋叫一個 loop。咁另外一個咧就叫Jason loop 啦，或者叫雙輪的 loop 啦。咁就睇你中意點叫嘅，冇所謂嘅。咁咧兩個雙輪嘅咧就一定係 anti-phase 嘅。咁兩個一樣喺上面嘅咧就一定係 in phase 噶啦咁樣。咁所以咧 X and Y and they are in phase。咁答晒噶啦，2分。好 ，sketch the strain after 0.0075秒。好啊，咁你而家係100 Hz 啊嘛，究竟0.075秒即係講緊你幾個圈咧？咁我哋就計一計啦。咁100 Hz 即係一圈一 lap 等於1 over 100啦，咁即係0.01秒啦。咁我哋又撳一撳機啦，0.0075 over 0.01。我哋計到啦，原來呢個時間咧係等於行咗0.75個圈嘅。好啦，0.75個圈即係點咧？如果你行咗半個圈嘅話咧，即係你去咗下面咁樣兜。如果你行咗0.25或者0.75嘅話咧，非常之簡單。你唔係向下嘅狀態，咁你就只能夠係拉平咗啦。係啊，就係咁。呢一個咧就係個答案啦，拉平咗呢條線。好 ，Part 4 If the frequency gradually increase， 咁 what frequency with the next stationary wave pattern will be observed？ 咁咧，當你係100 Hz 嘅時候咧，你有3個。咁我哋要記住一樣嘢，係一啲咁樣呢一款嘅 string 嘅題目咧 ，V 等於 F lambda 啦，個 V 咧係唔會變嘅。所以 F lambda 咧就永遠係一個 constant 嘅。咁我哋 set 好咗而家個條式先 ，V 等於100乘你個 wavelength。而家全長90米，3個碌，每兩個碌就一個 wavelength。咁所以咧呢度係60 cm 嚟嘅，所以就乘0.6啦。咁所以就60 ms 負一咯。好啦，咁當我哋要見到 next 嘅 pattern 咧，即係簡單嚟講 ，next pattern 係幾時啊？我哋又揾到4個碌嘅時候啊，我哋揾到1、2、3、4個碌嘅時候，咁到時個 wavelength 係幾多啊？90 cm 分2個 wavelength， 咁即係45啦。V 等於 F lambda，60等於 F 乘0.45。咁啊，撳一撳機就搞掂啦呢條。咁所以一個 F 就計到係133 Hz，就係咁。好啊，跟住到 Part B 啦。咁咧就其實睇字啦，呢個就純粹要理解嘅啫。咁就講呢個 stationary wave in musical instruments。好啦，咁啊一條先啦。咁 the figure shows the stationary wave pattern of the fundamental form on a string。咁啊叫你畫第二個 harmonic。第二個 harmonic 咧，即係簡單嚟講兩個包。First harmonic 就得一個。咁咧，所以咧，我哋就非常簡單地咧就畫到噶啦。咁就畫翻個我哋個 element 唔好咁大啦，就咁樣算啦。咁跟住兜翻俾佢，咁樣搞掂啦。好，咁跟住啦，到 B2啦 ，explain why musical instrument 會唔同嘅就俾唔同嘅 sound quality。咁咧，其實基本上要同理解嚟嘅啫。different instrument 即係睇呢一度噶啦，基本上咧我哋睇呢一度嘅啫。咁我哋睇第二句，the relative strength and proportions of the harmonic determine the unique sound characteristic of different instruments。好啊，咁基本上咧，我哋可以直接抄呢句落去啦。The relative strength and proportion of the harmonic determine the unique sound characteristic of different instruments。當佢哋咧，當呢啲唔同嘅 harmonics 咁樣唔同咁疊埋一齊咧，就有唔同嘅 waveform 嘅。咁所以咧就 when the harmonics superimpose 即係疊埋一齊啦 ，wave 嘅疊加啦 ，and combine to form different waveform。當佢哋咁樣疊埋一齊嘅時候咧，有唔同 waveform 咧，咁所以就有唔同嘅 sound quality 出咗嚟啦。就咁樣答就 OK 啦。好，第三句B3入面 ，state two main difference between 一個 wave on a vibrating guitar string 同埋 sound wave。咁咧，我哋比較 wave 咧，我哋有三大類別可以比較到嘅。第一個記住啊，呢個第一個 mechanical vs EM wave， 而係做 magnetic wave 啦。第二個究竟你係一隻行波，你係一隻 travelling wave 啦，定係一隻 standing wave 啦，或者叫 stationary 啦。第三樣嘢可以比較咧，就係究竟你係 transverse 㗎，定係你係 longitudinal 咧？咁我哋主要係比較呢幾樣嘢嘅啫。咁我哋第一樣嘢已經比較唔到啦，呢個。咁所以咧，呢兩分咧，主要係喺2同3嗰度啦。咁所以咧，我哋要比較嘅嘢就係 guitar string wave on guitar string is standing wave。咁 sound wave produced by 嘅咧就係 travelling wave，while sound wave is travelling。咁第二個比較咧就係 吉他嘅 wave 咧，wave on guitar is transverse wave, while sound wave is longitudinal. longitudinal wave 都係咁樣寫埋啦。記住比較嘅話咧，呢三大樣嘅啫，就唔好答啲咁流嗰啲嘢，唔好答啲咁行嘅，唔好答 wave 唔好答 speed 呢啲啦。